Hi everyone. So on popular demand, I am making this video on prelims book checklist. This is a list of all the books that I refer to, and I have also updated this book list with various books that are new in the market and which you can refer to. I hope this book list will help you to at least have a clear understanding of what you need to do for prelims as far as books are concerned. You don't really need to go beyond this book list. Just focus on these books only, and for mains I would make another video, and also I would make a video on various YouTube channels or sources from YouTube that you can use for this exam. So I hope you like the book list that I share with you. If you have any questions, write in the comments and I will try to get back to you. So here is the book list, and I will switch the screen and I will go through the book list. So as I go through the UPSC book list for prelims, one thing that I want to bring your attention is that I have divided the list into two kind of books: foundation books and exam books. Foundation books are books that are must to lay your basic knowledge foundation for that particular subject. For example, there is this book Indian Constitution at Work, which is an NCERT book for class 11th. This is the cover of the book, which I feel is a must for students who are studying polity for UPSC, because this lays a very nice foundation, gives you an introduction how Indian polity is structured, what are the three different pillars of the Indian polity, and so on. It gives you a brief history also, so that you are able to understand how the Indian polity has actually evolved. And then after that you can read Lakshmikant, so it will really help you to build that base. क्योंकि अगर वो बेस नहीं होगा तो लक्ष्मीकांत को समझना पढ़ना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो लक्ष्मीकांत को पढ़ने के लिए, उसको थोड़ा इजी बनाने के लिए, यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो थ्रू दिस NCERT book. Similarly, there are other foundation books. Mostly those are NCERT books, so that I will talk about. And exam books are general books that you have to study regardless. So polity is a subject which is a high scoring subject, because 15 to 20 questions every year come from polity. And it is a moderate subject as far as the difficulty is concerned. So for that, for prelims, you just need two books, Lakshmikant and this NCERT book. Apart from that, you don't need anything else. Lakshmikant को कैसे पढ़ना है, how to read it, I will make another video on this, because there is a technique to read it, so that will help you to prepare better for the exam. History is vast, very important, because it is also a foundation for a lot of subjects by itself. हिस्ट्री अगर अच्छी हो तो आप हर चीज़ में अच्छी तरह से अपना आर्गूमेंटेशन दे सकते हैं, अपनी पॉइंट बता सकते हैं, बट इट इज़ ए लेस स्कोरिंग सब्जेक्ट. सो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट बुक्स दैट यू नीड फॉर हिस्ट्री फॉर प्रीलिम्स? Bipin Chandra's India Struggle for Independence and Spectrum Notes. I think you should read this book first and then come to Spectrum Notes. This is the cover of the book. The same book was also used in NCERT. I mean, not the same book, but a lot of content from the same book. Ancient India के लिए you should go for old NCERT R.N. Sharma book for class 11th. Medieval के लिए NCERT class 11th की book is good. And then art and culture, you need to study from NCERT fine arts books. Then there is an introduction to Indian art, sorry यहाँ पे छुप गया है, which is class 11th book. Then living craft traditions of India, this is class 11th book again, and Nitin Singhania's book, which you can find in any bookstore. So these are very important books for art and culture. Now why so many books? Because art and culture, sometimes lot of questions come from art and culture, so I don't want you to miss out on those questions in case art and culture is more heavy in the exam in that particular year. ठीक है. The next is environment. Again, high scoring, important for IFS aspirants also. Shankar IS environment books, notes or book, which was very prevalent when I was studying. Some people have told me it is outdated, but I think it is not that outdated. Lot of static portion is there in this book, which you should go through. And then Majid Hussain ki environment ecology is there, which you can also go through. So this will lay foundation for this subject, plus NCERT. Apart from this, environment focuses a lot on current affairs. So current affairs का section बाद में discuss करेंगे हम. So these are the books for these subjects. Okay. Next is geography. Again moderate, but moderate scoring. इतने ज़्यादा questions भी नहीं आते, पर average number of questions आते ही हमेशा. Around 8 to 10 questions तो शायद हो सकते हैं. Gochi Leong is very good for foundation of landscapes, just geography in general, you know, natural geography, physical geography. This is very important book for that, to study it properly. NCERT book is there.
which lays your foundation in things like structure of the earth, various layers of the earth, climate, environment, etc. So you should also go through that. Then you have economics. Sanjeev Verma's introductory book is there, which is good. And then some new books are there on the stands as well, which I will review in my video later. For economics, you should really rely on NCERT book, which gives you a good foundation for micro and macroeconomics. There are two books, and Sanjeev Verma's book. I think that will be enough. Science, again NCERT, stick to NCERT, nothing else is required for science, because साइंस से फंडामेंटल से आते हैं और बाकी करंट अफेयर्स से आता है. प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन बुक्स यू कैन यूज यूपीएससी ओल्ड पेपर्स फॉर 15 ईयर्स. आई एम्फेसाइज दिस क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स पुरानी बुक्स, पुराने पेपर्स नहीं देखते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो रिपीट, सो इफ यू लुक थ्रू ओल्ड पेपर्स इट विल बी हेल्पफुल. और वाजीरामन विजन की टेस्ट सीरीज बहुत है, उससे ज़्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस की क्वेश्चन बुक्स मत लीजिए, बस इनके पेपर्स पे फोकस करिए. नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर करंट अफेयर्स, बिकॉज ये इटसेल्फ एक सब्जेक्ट है. इसमें से हमेशा 30-40 क्वेश्चन तो आपकी डायरेक्टली आएंगे ही, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द अदर क्वेश्चन विल ऑल्सो बी काइंड ऑफ मिक्स ऑफ करंट अफेयर्स एंड स्टैटिक पोर्शन. I would suggest only follow one source for current affairs out of these three. Either follow GK Today, Vision IS or Insights on India. I personally followed GK Today because GK Today में छोटे छोटे डिटेल्स भी आती हैं और मोटे मोटे जो मेन थीम्स हैं वो भी आते हैं. It is easy, you can download it from their website for 100 rupees for one PDF, very cheap also. Vision और Insights भी अच्छा है, पर I think GK Today is more comprehensive. Vision is good for mains purpose. So in case you need to refer for mains purpose, you can refer Vision IS for main purpose. But prelims के लिए definitely GK Today, but not so much for mains. It is factual oriented. Don't read, sorry, I will get to this part later. There are a lot of YouTube channels which you can use for clarifying your doubts. I will make another video on which YouTube channels you should follow for UPSC preparation. Study IQ अच्छा है, मृणाल अच्छा है economics के लिए. On there are some other good channels for foundations also. वो मैं अलग वीडियो बनाऊंगा क्योंकि इस वीडियो का वो टॉपिक नहीं है. नाउ फाउंडेशन बुक्स मैंने ऊपर भी आपको बताई हैं, यहाँ पे मैं फिर से बता देता हूँ कि क्लास 6 से क्लास 12th की सोशल साइंसेस की सारी बुक्स और क्लास 11th और 12th की सोशोलॉजी की बुक्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. जोग्राफी, पॉलिटी, हिस्ट्री, इकोनॉमिक्स, इसकी सबकी आपको 6 से 12 तक की पढ़ी लेनी चाहिए. इट विल नॉट टेक यू मोर देन 1 day to read one book of NCERT, maybe less, क्योंकि क्लास 6th, 7th, 8th इन क्लासेस की बुक्स बहुत ईजी होती हैं. दे आर नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके, सिमिलरली 6 से 10 तक की साइंस पढ़िए फॉर नॉन साइंस स्टूडेंट्स. साइंस स्टूडेंट्स को साइंस पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. और बायोलॉजी क्लास 12th के लास्ट 5 चैप्टर्स पढ़ लीजिए विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन नेचर. फिर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एट वर्क मैंने आपको बताया था. फाउंडेशन यूट्यूब चैनल्स ये भी मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगा. Paper 2 generally you need only 33% to pass, which is very low. I think everyone should be able to have this kind of score in paper 2. It's not that difficult to get. In case you are having problems, you should definitely go for some coaching classes, because then you need some guidance if you are not getting 33. आप एक पेपर ले सकते हैं लास्ट 15 ईयर्स में से 3-4 पेपर्स CSAT के, और अगर उसमें 100 से ऊपर आपके मार्क्स आ रहे हैं तो ईजिली आपका ये वाला सब्जेक्ट निकल जाएगा. सो यू डोंट नीड टू रियली फोकस दैट मच. थोड़ा सा इन बुक्स को पढ़ लीजिए. मैकग्रॉ की जनरल स्टडीज़ पेपर 2 बुक आती है, और मॉडर्न अप्रोच टू वर्बल एंड नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग बाय RS अग्रवाल. दीज आर गुड बुक्स, यू शुड रेफर टू देम. यू डोंट रियली नीड अ वेरी हाई स्कोर, सो डोंट फोकस ऑन दिस दैट मच इफ यू आर ईजिली गेटिंग 100 मार्क्स. लास्ट 15 ईयर्स के पेपर्स कर लेंगे तो बहुत ईजिली आपको पता चल जाएगा वेयर यू स्टैंड. नाउ अनदर थिंग इज व्हाट नॉट टू रीड. क्या नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए, ये तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि समटाइम्स वी वेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन थिंग्स वी शुड नॉट बी रीडिंग. रमेश सिंह की इकोनॉमिक्स वेरी हैवी इन माई ओपिनियन, नो नीड, वेरी कन्फ्यूजिंग बुक. सिंपल, स्टिक टू द बेसिक्स, स्टिक टू द नोट्स, स्टिक टू द बुक्स दैट आई हैव सजेस्टेड और टू some YouTube channels later that I will suggest. You will not need this. DD Basu for polity, again too heavy, not needed. Lakshmikant is more than enough. Okay, so you don't need DD Basu. Spectrum notes आप पढ़ रहे हैं without reading the foundation text, then it is not useful. Spectrum notes बहुत useful है, but only after having a good foundation in that subject. So for example, history के spectrum notes आते हैं. They are very nice notes, but you don't need to study them before you finish the actual text, NCERT or otherwise that I have told you. रैंडम मैगजीन्स बहुत हैं मार्केट में, बहुत से कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स अपनी मैगजीन्स निकालते हैं, रैंडम मैगजीन्स बहुत सी अलग अलग पब्लिकेशंस की आती हैं. डोंट रेफर टू एनी, डोंट रेफर टू EPW, डोंट रेफर टू इकोनॉमिस्ट अनलेस यू आर रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन दीज सब्जेक्ट्स. डोंट गो फॉर दीज. ये टाइम पास के लिए होती हैं, दे विल नॉट हेल्प यू इन द एग्जाम. Okay, so focus on the basic sources that I have told you. I will also put a link for you to be able to download these particular books book list on the YouTube channel. So please, you can use that. Other than that, I think I made it very clear, very simple book list. If I have left out anything, please let me know. I will try to bring it to you. Next video, essay sources, also YouTube sources, which are good for the exam. I will discuss that next. All right, have a good time. Bye.